Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Falsa lemonade. This is another my own recipe which I am sharing with you. And for this, here I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon drink mix, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of falsa, and 2 cups of water. Now I will add all the ingredients in the blender. Now first of all, falsa, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, lemon drink mix, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and sugar. Okay, I am adding 1 tablespoon. If you want more sugar, you can add more also. And then water, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will blend this. Now here I have blended all the ingredients, and now here I have taken this strainer or the sieve. We will pour this drink, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have to strain it. Now here I have strained this nectar. We need just smooth nectar, and here these stones or seeds from falsa, we don't need these. We will discard this residue. And now at this stage this drink is ready. Falsa lemonade is ready to be served. I have not added ice, but if you want you can add ice also. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.